Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Churches Stitches. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this beautiful fancy shoulder bag. These are the materials I'm going to be working with for today's bag making. My four corner ring, my zipper. The leather I'm working with is ox blood synthetic patterned leather. I went on folding it on fold. So right now I'm going to get my ruler to mark a starting line so that the line is going to be straight. From there I'm going to be taking the total length, which is 16 inches, but as you can see is on fold, so we are marking down 8 inches. Then the width I'm working with is 11 inches, so I'm just going to cut it out right now. After I was done with the cutting, I'm going to go in by 1 inches on both sides. This is me trying to form that curve in the bag. I'm going to come down by 1 inches also, and I'm going to join the line. So this 1 inches I came down from is going to help me to form the curve. So from that 1 inches we came in by, I'm going to form the curve. So watch carefully. Then I'll be tracing the same curve to the other side. So after I was done with the cutting, I'm going to remeasure the length of the bag on fold, which is 8 inches. So right now I'm trying now to cut out the side of the bag. So the side we are working with is 8 inches as the length, and the width is going to be 3 inches. So I'm going to cut out for the both side, and as you can see I'm going to be adding extra 3 inches. This is the 8 inches, so I measured extra 3 inches for our ring. Then from there I'm going to come in by half an inch on both sides. Then I'm going to be tracing something like C. From there trace it down to the actual length, which is the 8 inches. From the curved part I'll be slanting it down. This is how the ring is going to be sitting. I'll be cutting out for the long handle. The length is 25 inches while the width is 2.5 inches. I'll be measuring round the scuff part to help me to cut out my zip yard. As you can see it's 10 inches, but I'll be adding extra 1 inches. I'll be closing up the edge of the zip yard. Then I'm going to place it like this, and I'll go on and stitch it round. So once I was done with the stitching, I'm also going to do the same thing to this side. After I was done with the stitching and matching for the zipper part, this is how it's looking like. Then I'll find the middle of the main bag and also the side of the bag. I'm going to place it like this, good face to good face. You target the center and I'm going to stitch one side. Then I stitched one side of this side and also stitch one side of this side. So if you're stitching something like this, something that has side like this, don't go and stitch one side at a time. So guys, as you can see, the length of the side is now excess. So if you want to add extra inches for the ring, I suggest you add 1 inches rather than taking the 3 inches which I used. So right now I'm going to go on and I'm going to be trimming and trimming to get accurate seat for the ring. When trimming, be careful to avoid cutting out a part that is going to affect the bag. So as you can see, I was done with the cutting and I attached my ring and this is how it's looking like. Then I'm going to turn to the front parts. So guys, this bag is really beautiful. Then I'll be folding the long hand like this and I'll go on and stitch it round, and after I was done with the stitching I'm going to pass it through like this and I'll stitch it too. So once I was done with the stitching, I noticed that the length is long for my liking, so I'm going to reduce it. But if you like it like this, you can take it. So that 25 inches we measured, I'm going to be minusing extra 4 inches from it. So guys, this is the final look of our bag. Please guys, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you all and see you all in my next tutorial.